Hey guys, Rasheed Philips here, and I've teamed up with my amazing friends Masterbuilt for a brand new season of smoke sessions. Today we're making smash burgers, and not only regular smash burgers, onion smash burgers with a blue cheese compound spread. To get started, we're actually going to begin with our blue cheese spread. 1 finely minced clove of garlic, grab yourself 2 tablespoons of spreadable cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, finishing it off with, you guessed it, 2 tablespoons of blue cheese. Now we're just going to fold all this together. That bite and acidity from the garlic is really going to come through and play well with the blue cheese. Now it's time for the star of the meal, the burger patties. Because they're smash burgers, we want a slightly smaller patty than normal. So we're actually going to lay our bacon down first, let that cook, then use the oils and the fats to cook up our burgers. Flavor at every stage of the cook. We've set our Gravity Series 1050 to roughly 600 degrees with the Griddle Insert. Now that we have all of our ingredients prepared, let's hit the grill. All right guys, we have done it. We have made 2 very delicious, simple, and flavorful smash burgers. Let's see how we did. Mushrooms, blue cheese, caramelized onions, bacon. What more can you ask for? It all just works so well. You can't beat a nice slice of American cheese topped over a well-grilled patty. For recipes like this and more, please head over to masterbuilt.com.